Global Forte Sign. Attention motorists! Traffic safety has become sustainable with our warning solar sign for bumps. Sustainability in their DNA, innovative traffic signs are manufactured with advanced engineering polymers that reduce environmental impact and build a greener future.
Why are bumps without signage dangerous? Surprise! An unmarked bump suddenly appears, without time for the motorist to reduce speed. The lack of visibility of bumps can lead to sudden brakes, increasing the risk of rear-end collisions. Main causes: lack of vertical signage, absence of signs to warn of the proximity of a bump. Consequences: damages to vehicles, impacts on suspension, tires, and bodywork. Injuries to occupants, cervical whiplash, blows, and other injuries due to sudden brakes or loss of control. Responsibilities: it is important to note that the lack of signed bumps not only puts motorists at risk, but also pedestrians and cyclists.
Why is our preventive solar sign the solution? Superior visibility. The sign, by being solar, can incorporate LED lights of high intensity that make it visible at a great distance and in any climate conditions. This alerts motorists with enough time to reduce speed and pass the bump safely. Striking design. The imponent anatomy makes it stand out and catch the attention of motorists. A much more effective, innovative, and striking design than a conventional sign that can go unnoticed. Sustainable energy. By being solar, your sign doesn't need cables or an electrical connection, facilitating its installation and reducing maintenance costs. In addition, it is a friendly option for the environment by using renewable energy. Greater safety. By alerting drivers in advance about the presence of a bump, your sign drastically reduces the risk of accidents and protects motorists and pedestrians.
Our proposal: a traffic safety revolution. To optimize road safety, we propose the strategic implementation of our solar warning sign for road safety adjacent to every speed reduction device, bump. This solution is distinguished due to its advanced engineering and user-centered design. Our sign has been carefully designed to maximize visibility and identification. Its dimensions, distinctive geometry, and high-intensity solar lighting system guarantee an optimal perception on behalf of motorists, even in low luminosity conditions or reduced visibility.
In the road safety field, the solar and synchronized signage emerges as an avant-garde solution, especially critical in extreme and vulnerable environmental conditions due to the interruption of electrical supply. In total darkness conditions, a standard traffic sign that incorporates reflective material is distinguished at a distance of 82.0 feet when it is lighted by headlights. This is due to retroreflection of light, where the sign returns a part of the incident light to its source, making it visible. In contrast, the Global Forte sign improves significantly this visibility, being perceptible at an approximate distance of 984 feet. This substantial improvement is attributed to a combination of technologies that go further than a simple reflector. The feature to synchronize among adjacent signs creates a path of light coherent and directional, removing the uncertainty and guiding users with precision through tracks of compromised visibility. This overcomes the limitations of the passive reflective signs, which rely on vehicle headlights and are ineffective in very dense fog conditions. Multi-signal, we are on the next level.